Welcome, ball players. Subscribe. Smash the like button. Testing baseball training tools.
Guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be trying out a few different baseball training tools.
So this is the tee popper right here. So what it does is it pops the ball up into the air. You press this part down. It's going to go pretty quickly, pop the ball up, and then you're going to try to hit the ball. I've never done this specifically before. Let's see how it goes. So the main thing here is let's see how much air this thing can get in comparison to my batting stance. I'm a pretty tall person. Okay, so I got it to about right here, which is in the strike zone for me, being in a low athletic batting stance as I should. Let's see if I can try to hit it. So it only comes with one ball specifically, and that's okay because you can still find these online pretty cheap if you need to get a whole bunch more of them. But I think it's pretty cool. I think it's a valuable tool that you can have for like especially a youth player. And the fact you're hitting a small ball right here can help you with your eye-hand coordination if you're able to do it. I probably would recommend you have someone else press that ball down to give you enough time to get into your batting stance and get set up properly. But as you can see, I was able to still hit the ball even though I was pressing the ball down myself. So you can still do it on your own. You can do it with the coach. It's definitely a valuable tool. Pretty cool, huh? All right, the next tool is going to be called the hitting knob right here. I've used this before in the past. I definitely think it's valuable. One thing I do notice though with it is that it's not going to fit on a bat like this where it has a little bit of a thicker handle towards the knob of the bat. It's definitely going to fit on a bat like this where it's a much more skinnier, thinner handle towards the knob. And what you do with it is basically put it down on the ground. You stick the knob through the slot, you press down, and then it's going to lock it in place like so. And so what this is it's a weight on the knob of your bat right here. And so it's going to help you kind of feel the correct swing path, assuming that you are going to be taking the correct swing. It makes it much easier to actually swing. The bat will feel very heavy is the best way to put it if you cast out or if you have a long swing. So let me take a few swings off the tee and kind of give you a showcase of how it's done. I got the hitting knob right here on my bat, right here. And as I start swinging, I can definitely feel the weight of this. So as I was saying earlier, if I cast out, the bat's going to feel pretty heavy. So I need to keep my hands and elbows in as I should, and it's going to make it much easier to hit the ball. So this would definitely remind you of like the traditional hitting donut that you would put, and that would go towards this part of the bat right here. But the difference here is that with this, you can actually hit the ball with it. With its standard hitting donut, you're really not going to be able to hit it. It feels a lot more awkward is the best way to put it. You can definitely train with it. You can use it on the on-deck circle as well. So try it out. It's called the hitting knob. All right, this is pretty cool. This is called the Velo Tee. It's actually a bag, bucket, tee, combo, all one backpack. It has rollers right here. Take a look. Pretty cool. It's got a lot of different versatile uses to it. But the main thing here is that it's a great bag that you can have for your team. Make it easier for you coaches to transport equipment and actually get some tee work in if you want to. And this right here is a home plate. The home plate comes off like that. You can throw it down on the ground. And then you got different zones right here. You got different zones. You got the middle of the plate, you got middle in, middle out, and then you got the outside corners right here. And it comes with two tees. One is a tanner tee, and the other one's kind of like a traditional black tee, and they all go up and down as needed. Right here. There are 3 slots on the inside that you can use it with. You got your bag, you got the balls right here, and it's really easy to get some swings in off the tee, like so. Super cool bag. I highly recommend you guys get this. Definitely one of my favorite training tools that I have. All right, now what I have for you is the turf block. The turf block is a board that is slanted, and it's got a nice piece of turf on there. And what you can utilize it for is really pretty much anything, tons of hitting drills, pitching, and you could do a fielding drill where basically this acts as a bad hop board, meaning you can have somebody roll a ball up over the board. It's going to kind of kick up, and you can work on kind of a bad hop type drill. Pretty cool. Let me show you a few drills you can do with this drill right here. As we know, as hitters, we got to get our back foot turned. So we got a drill right here, but basically you start with your back foot turned. It's nice and easy, nice and comfortable. And then you can take some swings and work on your lower half. Okay, and you can even flip it around. You got the turf block on the other side right here. You work on basically not lunging. You go load, stride, and then you can swing.
So again, we can use it for pitching right here, but let's utilize this training device now. It's called the Bulletball because everybody wants to see how slow I can throw the ball today. Let's see what I can do. The pitch speed should register right here and show me how fast I threw the ball. This is battery operated and feels about the same weight as a normal baseball, which is great. Let's see how I do. So it flashes the speed of the ball on the screen right here. Pretty cool. I don't know how exactly accurate it is per se. It shows 60 miles an hour here for me. We'll have to do some more tests in the future to see truly how accurate it is. Maybe bust out like a pocket radar, get a couple different parameters to see if this is truly what it is that it's set. Tons of training products out there and it kind of gets a little bit overwhelming. So I hope that this video helps kind of give you guys a little bit better opinion on some of the training tools out there that I utilize today. If you like videos like this, please hit that like button, subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next video.